Don't target being better than someone in life. Target being the older version of yourself. Target being the better than the you which was yesterday. Don't look at another person something and you say, oh, I would wish to have it like this. Don't look at somebody's YouTube channel and say, I want my channel to be like this. No. Focus at yours. Keep improving it. Dream about making it better than another person. When you look at another person's thing, project, or property, and you try to compete with it, that is where your brain will be limited. You will limit your brain to that level. You would have thought about improving something better than the way it is, but because you're just competing with someone, you will only want to make sure that you disapprove that person. And this is a common thing in life that people like doing. You cannot say that I must be better than another person. I must be better. No. Set your own goal, not tying it to another person's achievement. Set your own goal that I was like this yesterday, I should be like this tomorrow. My project was like this today. Today it is already like this, and tomorrow it should be like this, and you work towards that one. That is when even you will be happy, because first of all you will be in your own race. You will be competing with your own self, not with another person. And you will not even think about the rating, the awards and the rest, because you know who you are and what you're doing. It is very pathetic that we are limited by thinking of a comparison between you and somebody else. No, that will not take you anywhere. If you have a project, New Year resolution, say, by mid-year I will have accomplished this one. I will achieve this one in life. That is what is called true self-competition, which is the most healthy and the one that God blesses and makes you very successful in life. Thank you.